How to delete profile picture on Insta completely. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete profile picture on your Instagram completely. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first step is open up your Insta. After you open up your Insta, head over to your profile on the bottom right. After you're on your profile, simply long press on your profile picture and you will see the edit option right around here. Tap on it and from here you will see remove current picture. Now what this does is that it completely deletes or removes your profile picture on your Insta. So simply tap on it and wait for it to load and you will notice that your Instagram's profile picture is completely gone. And yeah, it's that simple. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for